Hey, I just want to share with everyone what I got in my bird's nest. Uh, Excuse me, I just drank a green smoothie. Um, I got these from Page, Arizona. They're like pterodactyl eggs. They're like fossilized pterodactyl eggs. They're epic. I don't know if you can see it. Or I've heard other people call them shaman balls or um, shaman stones. But these ones are like a little bit more delicate. They're like crystal. Most shaman balls are like metal and heavy and hard, and these are just like fragile, delicate, like pterodactyl thunderbird eggs, right? And I also got this in Arizona way. Um, I got this in the Grand Canyon. I'm actually not sure what this is. I don't know. It's not calcite, but it's some sort of crystals with other sorts of beautiful, cool designs and stuff all over it, right? It's cool. So that is what is in my bird nest. Ah.